Namaskar and welcome to Bharat This Week, your comprehensive weekly news update. I'm Laura Anika and here are this week's top stories. The National Democratic Alliance (NDA) registered a landslide victory in Maharashtra, with the BJP winning 132 seats and solidifying its position as the state's largest party. In Jharkhand, the JAM Congress coalition delivered a spectacular performance, securing a second straight term. The Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE) has announced the opening of online applications for its Merit Scholarship Scheme for a single girl child. Eligible students who passed Class 10th in 2024 and are enrolled in Class 11th at CBSE-affiliated schools can apply. The deadline for applications is December 23rd. The Ayush Ministry's Yoga at Work program received a certificate of appreciation during National Learning Week for its success on the I Got Karma Yogi Bharat platform, completing by over 870,000 officials. India successfully tested a long-range hypersonic missile at Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Island, Odisha, marking a significant military milestone. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh hailed the achievement as historic, emphasizing its importance for national security. In groundbreaking research, scientists have found a new approach to understanding the virology of monkeypox virus (MPV) and developing advanced diagnostics tools along with identifying novel therapeutic pathways. Recently renamed as Mpox virus, MPV has been declared a public health emergency of international concern twice within the past 3 years due to its unexpected global spread. In an effort to reduce reliance on China and strengthen its local electronic industry, the Indian government will offer up to $5 billion in incentives to local companies producing electronic components. This move aims to bolster India's production capabilities, which have surged to $115 billion in 2024. Driven by mobile manufacturing, particularly from global brands like Apple and Samsung, Bengaluru matches Delhi and Mumbai in economic growth, creates 8 lakh jobs, and adds 80 million square feet office space. Recognition as India's startup and service sector hub, the city has significant tech-driven expansions, reinforcing its position as the key economic powerhouse. That's all for this week's edition of Bharat This Week. Stay connected with us for more in-depth coverage and timely updates. Thank you for joining us today. This is Laura Anika signing off. We'll see you again next week. Stay safe and stay informed.